Hey, my name is Patrick. I want to show you two new things that we've launched in 10 days of Softr. So the first thing is the embed field. We've actually changed and given some additional options on how you can embed links and embed codes into Softr. So let's take a look and see how that works. So if I go to my important embeds, you can see that I have a list of a couple of different things to show. I'm going to go to the actual content details page here, and we've got a couple of different fields set up for this. If I go to my content tab, open up this section 2 here, you'll see that I have the two different embed fields. One is called embed code and then URL embed. If I click on the embed code, you can see that we now have some options for HTML embeds or URLs. You can define how something should be embedded in a block. And you can also assign different heights depending on which one you choose. So let's take a look and see how each of these looks, both URL and HTML. If we jump over to our preview here and I click on the song embed code, you can see that I can take something like a Spotify or SoundCloud or YouTube and embed the actual sheer embed code directly with HTML in an iframe. But then if you look at the song URL, I can also, for certain platforms, just take the URL from the URL bar and put it in, and it works exactly the same way. Now let's take a look at the tags feature. So if we open up the tab, go back to our Softr Studio and click on our block again, you can see that we have some additional features added to how tags look and feel inside of your app. You can optionally show a limited number of tags. If you have a lot of them, you can show only the first few. You can also apply some sorting to these tags as well to determine, if they're alphabetical or if they're numerical, date and time. And you can also change the color palette. So we can set no color palette. We can set it as defined in the data source, which is a great way for customizing what this palette should look like. But you can also choose one of the kind of predefined palettes here as well. So these are some really great options. We'll take a look and see what this looks like in the preview as well. So if I click on our tags example here, you can see that it opens up, and this, I have it set to as defined in data source. So you can see that these are perfectly replicating the colors that I have set up in Softr databases. All right, hope you enjoyed those features and hope you're enjoying 10 days of Softr.